HTML tables? HTML tables are HTML elements that we use to display tables inside of our web pages. Tables could be very useful in cases where we need to display our data that should be tabularly organized. How HTML table structure looks like? Where every table in HTML needs to have table base first, then some number of table rows in that table, some number of cells in that rows, and optionally we can set heading cells that should represent what every single column in our table represents. So when we are creating table inside of our web page, we need to create start and end table tags, then some number of table rows, some number of cells inside of that rows, and optionally we can set heading cells for our table. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.